What's up guys? In today's video we're going to be going to Dyno. So we are going to be taking Nick's car, Nick my friend who drives the grey GK. You guys might have seen him in the previous videos, the Honda Fest video. So we're going to go bring his car for Dyno to get a baseline number, because today we're going to be installing an aftermarket exhaust manifold for his car. So I'm going to do one for my car as well later on, but since we, it's the same thing because we're just going to dyno one car so we're just going to use Nick's car. We are currently on the way to the dyno right now. Our goal is to see that, how much power can an aftermarket exhaust manifold make with just the exhaust manifold. We're not going to change the mid pipe. The muffler has already been changed, so that's fine. So we're just going to do baseline, see how much the stock horsepower, bring it to exhaust shop, get the exhaust manifold done and bring it back for another dyno, so we're on the way there right now. Traffic is pretty shit, but what to do lah, it's 10:30, people are all still going to work, this time. So yeah, we'll catch you guys there. We should be there soon lah. We had Dyno, we had GT Auto, this is the back, so this is the Dyno. They're gonna strap the car on. We're just gonna do a base run and we're gonna see how it goes. It should be fairly simple lah. We just see, how much horsepower do you guys think this car will make stock? Completely stock, it's only got muffler and that doesn't really add power lah, to be fair. So I'm guessing like 98, 97 horsepower. What do you guys think? Alright, so we got a base run done. So this is the power 115 wheel max power, 115 wheel horsepower and 14 kilo of stock. So in comparison, the stock car, an engine does 120 horsepower and 150 Newton meters. Honestly, that's very surprising. I was expecting it more like 105, 108, but 115 is not bad. So we're going to get this car off the dyno. We're going to go get some lunch first, then we're going to get our aftermarket Catless exhaust manifold in stock. Then we're going to come back here and do another run. So yeah, we're going to bring the car, go out, then we're going to come back one more time, see how much power can we make. It's a little bit noisy here, sorry. Alright, so we're here at the exhaust shop. Car's on the lift, they're removing the stock downpipe. We have the new one over here. Marcus is getting some photos. So this is actually a 2-inch Catless downpipe for L15 lah. So Jazz GK, GM6, the new cities GN2, they have it as well. So we're gonna fit this onto Nick's car. Then we're gonna see the improvements. Since we already put it on the dyno, we're gonna see how much power does it make lah. We're hoping it makes 3 to 5 horsepower. So yeah, we give them some time to get it done. This is a 2-inch pipe, right? The standard one is about 1.5 inches, so it's slightly larger diameter. You got your plugs for your O2 sensor and your EGR, so it doesn't throw a check engine light code. So yeah, guys, we'll see lah, because these are going to be out for sale soon. I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy these aftermarket exhaust. They have full piping as well, mufflers, downpipes. So yeah, you guys can check it out. And we're going to hear how it sounds like, so we're going to see how much louder it's going to be. So yeah, let's just let them do their thing. Yeah. Hi Brian. What do you have there?
Oh, it's an extension.
So much power do you think it's going to make? Give or take. What's your prediction?
From realistic scale, I think we can look about maybe 5 horsepower a peak. But I'm quite curious to see how much torque it makes in mid-range.
Okay, so are we? So Let's let Mr. Ken exhaust. Do his thing. Ready Saga spoon
Yeah, dude, like honestly, it's a Honda if you really look close at it. I mean, we can see the detail.
Wait, this is a spoon lah.
You got a Type 1?
That one where? Oh there
Check it out.
Yeah. Oh here. Where's the
Everything in Malaysia is Honda.
I thought the line is supposed to be like that one. Not straight
Oh, it's a Honda. Yeah, it's Type 1 lah. I mean, just put it up there, it's a Honda.
Can lah. Alright, let's hear how it sounds. Okay, my guys, go. Right, sound check. Loud this guy racing Chun.
Chilla!
Let's go. Jatuh floor ini. Alright. Oh, quite loud lah. Not bad lah. Uish, got pop lah. Wait. Okay. That's the way lah. Oh, nice. Alright, time for the second run. Okay, so how much horsepower you guys think? Increase?
150 horse fuel. Anything above 120 horsepower.
I don't know.
I'll go with 120.
120 Marcus reading the before chart. How much horsepower?
118.
118. Okay lah, I say 120 also lah. So let's see lah. So final figure 118 and 14.5 kilo versus the stock 112 and 13.9 lah. So that's like almost 6 horsepower and about 5 Nm. You can see from the graph.
Playing with fire. Is that hot?
Alright guys, so that's it for today's episode. So as you guys can see just now, the 2-inch downpipe, the DCAT downpipe. Okay, so one thing, right, for the Honda Jazz there is 2 cats, so the primary cat and the secondary cat. So this downpipe deletes both cats, so it's it's there's no cat at all lah. It made 6 wheel horsepower and about 5 Newton meters of torque. So for a stock exhaust, with just an aftermarket downpipe, it's actually not bad. To be honest, it's actually not bad. The mid pipe is still stock, it's 1.5, 1.6 inches about there. The muffler is aftermarket lah, but that's not much of a difference anyway. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting this downpipe, you guys can PM a shop. You guys can DM a shop called THDM Auto Parts. I'll leave the link in the description below. You guys can just hit them up. Just for whatever car they have it for a lot of models. Like City, Jazz, Vios. You can just ask. Just ask. I'm sure they will have it. So yeah, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Huge shout out to GT Auto as for facilitating the whole dyno session. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.